Nangona amalungu eParlamente ebexoxa ngentetho yobume besizwe ka-Mongameli Ramaphosa, umbutho ojongene nolawulo kwamasipala eSalga ngamafuphi ulumkisa ngokukhula kwamatyala kwamasipala.
The non-election contesting elements in the ANC, in the form of COSATU and the SACP, are again a case of deja vu, who sneeze and we then all catch the flu. These elements derailed GIA, ASGISA and the NDP, and now they stand by ready to derail a fundamental policy shift as announced by the President last week.
Given the many empty promises the President makes, he does not seem to care about his reputation. Every failed promise means that people cannot take him at his word or trust him. President Ramaphosa promised the nation that, and I quote, "Nobody will be forced to take the vaccine." He repeated this statement at least twice later that year, and further said, I quote again, "No one would be forbidden to travel wherever they want, including from enrolling in schools or from taking part in any public activity if they have not been vaccinated."
We have committed ourselves to make sure that pupils, teachers and non-teaching staff and visitors must continue to wear masks and recognize or even keep to all the protocols that we have put in place, which include mask breaks, continuous use of alcohol-based sanitizers, maintaining good ventilation in our classrooms, and making sure that there's always constant cleaning. But the normal return to timetabling will assist us as a sector to really do some of the things that we're unable to do.
It's only the African National Congress that is capable of leading this country to create a better life for all.
Ukanti mpikiswano Iyaqhuba.